In this video, I will show how you can get up to 51% off on the Submagic AI pricing plans. To get started, use the first link in description and create an account if you don't already have one. After you log in, this is the interface you will see. Click on Remove Watermark and you will be taken directly to the pricing page. Here, you can see the 3 pricing plans currently offered by Submagic AI. Take some time to compare the features available in each plan and choose the one that matches your requirements. The first method to save money is by switching from monthly billing to annual billing. As you can see, Submagic AI offers discounts of up to 41% when you choose the yearly option. However, annual billing requires you to pay for the entire year up front, so if you're still exploring the platform, you may prefer to stay on the monthly plan for now. Another option is to take advantage of the 3 free videos provided by Submagic AI and test the platform before deciding to upgrade. You can get even more discount by using a coupon code. Select the plan you want and proceed to the checkout page. You will see an option to enter a promotion code. Enter the code SAVE10 and press Enter. As you can see, the discount has been applied successfully. When combined with the annual billing savings, your total discount can reach approximately 51%. After that, simply fill in the remaining payment details on the right-hand side and complete your purchase. If you want a detailed breakdown of each Submagic AI pricing plan to help you decide which one you should choose, check out this video right here.